Hello guys, welcome to a new video. And in this video what we are going to do is we're going to configure some extended ACLs, and there's going to be a scenario 1 for this ACL. And what we have to do is two employees need access to services provided by the server. PC1 only needs FTP access, while PC2 only needs web access. Both computers are able to ping the server but not each other. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to go to not to Twitter, but since I went to Twitter, if you have a Twitter account, go ahead and follow me at CCNA Daily Tips. Alright, so let's go ahead and open that. First, let's make this font a little bit bigger so you guys can see it better. Alright, so let's go ahead to router 1. And in router 1, enable config T. You have to create a access list, an extended access list, and access list 100. If you do anything below 100, it's going to be a standard access list, but since we're working with extended, we can use anything above 99 all the way to 2699. Okay, so you can use all of that numbers for extended access list. So we have to do permit, and what do we need to permit? TCP, right? And what is the source that we need to permit? It's going to be 172.22.34.64, and now the worker mask needs to be 0.0.0.31. And permit to what is the destination that we need to permit. It's going to be host 172 that, let's see, 72.22.34.62, which is the server that we need to give access to this computer over here. Okay, and then at the end we need to do equal to FTP, because we have to give that computer FTP access. Alright, and now the other one, we need to also permit the same network. We have to permit access to all ICMP. Alright, so if we just copy that and go to the router and paste that over here. So we are permitting this network over here access to this host, which is the server. So we are permitting first FTP access and also ICMP access, which is able to ping. And after that, you need to add it to a interface. So we need to add it to interface gigabit 00, and then we have to add these access list, which is IP access group 100, which is the one that we use, 100, the one that we created. Alright, so let's go ahead and do that. It won't let me. Let's see if we just do a maximize and make it, oops, maximize, and then like that. That doesn't work. Oh, I hate that. I still haven't, not used to it. Still doing the same. Race, no, it's not race. Let's do a maximize. So if we maximize it, we can just close it, and then let's open it again. There we go. Alright, sorry for that, guys. Now let's go ahead and add it to gigabit 0 interface 00, and let's do IP access group 100 going in. Okay, so now what we need to do is try to ping PC1 to server. So let's try to ping Well, let's try to do let's try to first ping the server from computer 1. So let's go ahead to computer 1, move it over here as well, desktop. Let's do a ping, so we should be able to ping that server. There it is. So we are able to ping that server. Let's see if we are able to FTP to that server as well. There we go. So we are also able to ping that server, the FTP. So we are able to do that. Now ping PC1 from PC1 to PC2. The destination host should be unreachable because the traffic was not explicitly permitted. So let's go ahead and try that. Let's get this IP address and let's try to ping it from PC1 to PC2. So ping this IP address. And there we go. We are not able to ping PC1 from we are not able to ping PC2 from PC1. And now the next step is configure and apply. Configure, apply, and verify an extended name ACL. Okay, so this is a little bit different than just a extended ACL. There's going to be a named ACL. So what we need to do from router 1, we need to do IP access list, and from here we have to give it an extended. I'm sorry, we have to actually exit out of here. From here, do IP access list extended, and now we have to give a name, and the name for it is going to be HTTP only, HTTP underscore only. And this is how you create a name, an access list, okay, and a named access list, and also extended. And now you can see that we're right here, and from here we have to permit TCP 172.22.34.96, right? And then after that we need to give it a wildcard mask, which is 0.0.0.15, and the host that we want to permit is going to be 172.22.34.62. It's going to be equal to www, which is HTTP. And then we need to create another one to permit ICMP. It's going to be this almost the same. You just have to remove this and add, instead of TCP, ICMP. There it is. And now we need to exit, and we need to apply that access list, or that named access list, to interface gigabit 00. And the way you do that is by doing IP access group, and we need to put the word of it. So, and the name that we gave it was HTTP only, right? Let's verify that. There it is, HTTP only. Okay, and that's going to be going in, right? And now from PC2, let's try to pin the server, and the server was this IP address, so we can copy it and go to PC2. We can move PC2 over here, and let's exit out of this one and go to the command prompt. And from here there are telling us to verify the ACL implementation, so let's try to ping the server. So ping 172 PC2 to the server, and then like you said, it should be working because we allowed it to ping. We did a permit ICMP, which ICMP is what lets you ping any host So we were able to ping, so that's good. And now let's do and try to FTP to that server. There we go. We are also able to FTP. And now open a web browser on PC2 and enter the IP address of the server as the URL. The connection should be successful as well. So let's go ahead and do that. Web browser. And go, and there it is. You are also able to access this web server through FTP, ICMP, and also HTTP. Okay, so this should be done with this activity. Check results. Okay, so it is saying that we missed something. So access group in, IPv4 extended. Okay, so we need to access group on, so we are missing something. Let's go ahead and try to read that again. Close. So we need to add it to gigabit 01. Oh, okay, so for this one we need to add it to gigabit 01 instead of 00. So let's go ahead to router 1, and instead of, let's go ahead and delete that. Let's say no. No. Go to interface gigabit 01, and let's add that there. Let's see, check results. It's still saying that we have not configured yet. And we are missing access group going in on gigabit 00. I thought I did that already, but guess it didn't work. Let's go ahead, go back over here, go back to router 1. Let's do a do show run to verify my configurations. So gigabit, so yeah, gigabit 00 is missing that access list. So let's go ahead and do interface gigabit 00 IP access group 100 going in, and now we should be done. There it is. Congratulations, you successfully completed the packet tracer activity configuring extended ACLs as scenario 1. Okay, so this is all for this activity, and thank you guys for watching. And like I said, guys, if you have a Twitter account and like CCNA and like my videos, go ahead and follow me on Twitter at CCNA Daily Tips, and also go ahead and follow me on my YouTube channel, or subscribe to my YouTube channel so you guys can stay up to date with all my videos, which I create at least one every night. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.